everyone, this is Aileen Jong with QiMastery and VitalQi for Life Acupuncture and Medical Qigong.
Welcome to QiMastery with Aileen Jong. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
I'd like to invite you to 3 upcoming Qigong events this June designed to help restore balance, reduce stress, and reconnect with your body through movement, breathing, and community. First, next Saturday on June 6th, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at my Cupertino office studio, I'll be teaching the Wild Goose Qigong 4 Tripod and Spirals workshop. This beautiful flowing form includes spiraling, figure 8, opening and turning movements that help gently relax and lengthen the body while improving mobility, fascia release, coordination, circulation, and nervous system regulation. The movements are graceful, beautiful, and easier to learn than they may appear, making the workshop accessible for both experienced and beginner practitioners. Later in the month, from June 25th to 29th, we'll be holding our 5-day Wild Goose Qigong retreat teaching BaGua healing practices. The retreat is designed for deeper experience in healing, breathing practices, walking meditation, nature, and community support. And especially during these stressful and uncertain times, these practices will help us build up our resilience, calm our nervous system, and is accessible to us not far from home. If you've been curious about Qigong and wanting to deepen your practice, or simply needing a reset for your body and mind, I'd love for you to join us. And throughout the summer, we'll also continue our weekly Qigong in the Park community practices at Ortega Park in Sunnyvale. The upcoming dates include June 13th and June 20th, with additional summer dates listed on the website below. And these relaxed, outdoor donation-based sessions are beginner-friendly, focused on stress relief, breathing, mobility, nervous system regulation, and simply enjoying healing movement together in nature and community. Feel free to bring your friends or family, and you can find the full schedule and registration details for these events below at QiMastery.com on my website. And I hope to practice together with you soon. Here's what a little bit of the Wild Goose 4 Qigong looks like. We do a right tripod, left tripod, pull the chi down. Our first figure 8, cross the body, along the arms, make a chi ball, and send the chi down to the feet. Collect from just below our knee, bring it above the crown, point to the waist and hip to relax it, and allow ourselves to gently stand and sink and sit. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and let people know about the upcoming events. And I hope to see you at Qigong soon. And love to all the world. Take care now. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Continue your healing journey with any of these videos.